O has four sounds. O, O, U, O. O, O, U, O. O, R, O, D. Rod. H, O, P. Hop. K, O, P. Cop. O, G, O, go. R, O, P. Rope. Silent E, and E gives power to O. H, O, home. E silent and gives power to O. The third sound of O is oo. T, oo, two. D, oo, do. Un, d, oo, do. Undo. The fourth sound is l, love. Love. E silent. K, cover. Is a multiple phonogram. Here the and again are multiple phonograms. K, cover. The, mother.